In this video, I'm going to show you how I made $245 just by promoting affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic from Pinterest without investing any money. It's all profit without investing any money, just by using free traffic from Pinterest. Okay, and in today's video, guys, I'm going to share with you my method step by step. So you just need to copy and paste my method if you want to start making money with Pinterest affiliate marketing. And as you can see in my balance, it's showing $0 because I withdraw all my money to my PayPal account. As you can see over here, it's paid. Okay, so to start making money with affiliate links, with Fiverr affiliate links, what you need to do first, for beginners, you need to go to Google and you need to search for Fiverr. Click on the first link over here. Sign up by user, email address. The sign up process is super easy and simple. After you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one. So you just need to come to this page and you need to scroll down. Okay, just scroll down, go to community, and you should see over here affiliate. Click on affiliate. You will be directly in this page over here, as you can see. Okay, so what you need to do is you need to scroll down. You can click over here on join now. So let me show you the commission. Okay, so let me show you how much you will earn for each service you will promote. As you can see, they are paying up to $115. If just one person buy a service from your affiliate link, you can earn up to $115. Okay, so to join Fiverr affiliates, you just need to click over here on join now. And as you can see, this sign up process to Fiverr affiliates is super easy and simple. So you just need to put your first name, your last name, your email address, username, password, account tip, make it private. Okay, scroll down, you will answer a few questions. Do you have a main source of traffic? You can say yes or no. Then you're gonna choose your country and you need to choose your language. If you have Skype, you can put your Skype here. If you don't have, just click on next. And that's it. It will take just a few minutes. Anyone can sign up. It's super easy. Okay, so after you finish, this will be your home page and you should have an account like this one on Fiverr. Okay, with Fiverr affiliate. So what you need to do next is you need to go back to this home page, to your home page on Fiverr. Okay, go back to your home page. So now I'm gonna share with you which service you should promote on Pinterest if you want to earn commission. Click over here, search for Instagram, promotion. Okay, so just search for Instagram promotion because a lot of people are using Pinterest to grow their Instagram account. They will be interested to use this service. Okay, scroll down. So I want you to pay attention in this step. So always make sure to choose good sellers. Choose like level 1 seller, top rated seller, level 2 seller, sellers who has a lot of reviews. So if people click on your affiliate link, they find those sellers are good sellers, they will buy this service from your affiliate link and you will earn commission, if that makes sense. Okay, so I'm gonna choose this one, top rated seller. I will click on his service and you will be directly in his Fiverr profile page like this. So what you need to do is you just need to click over here on his link and you need to copy his link. So copy his link, his profile link, copy his profile link and go back to your Fiverr affiliate account, click on marketing tools and click on default and dip links. Okay, and click over here and put this seller affiliate link here, this seller profile link. Click over here again and here you go, you just created your first Fiverr affiliate link. Copy this link from here and go. So what next step, guys, is we need to promote this affiliate link on Pinterest. So let's go to Pinterest. You need to go to Pinterest. For beginners who don't have an account on Pinterest, go to Google, search for Pinterest, sign up by user, email address, and make sure to choose business account, not personal account. Open business account. Okay, after you finish, this will be your home page. Click over here on home feed, click on create pin. you will be directly in this page. What you need to do is you need to upload your picture, okay? Picture about your service. Go back to this seller page, scroll down. This is his picture. Click on this picture, double click, save image, okay? Like this. And I'm gonna name it Instagram, for example. Save. Go to Pinterest, click over here and upload your picture, okay? This is the picture about my service. Open, and here you go. Scroll down, put your affiliate link here. This is my affiliate link. What you need to do next is you need to put title and description. Go back to this seller page, copy his title. You are just an affiliate, you can use his information, okay? Go to Pinterest, put this title over here, description, go back to his profile page, scroll down, you should see about this gig. So this is his description. I'm gonna copy this part to show you. Pinterest, and put this description here. It's easy and simple, okay? Okay, I'm gonna make it a small description, okay? I'm gonna delete this. Okay, so let's keep just this. So make your description small, okay? And scroll down. You need to click on choose a board. If you are a beginner, click on create a board, and you can create as many as you want. Just give it a name and that's it. We already created 3. I'm gonna choose this one. Scroll down. You need to put here tags, okay? Go back to this seller page. Over here, click, scroll down. So just keep scrolling down, scroll down like this. You should see related tag. Copy his tag like this and go to Pinterest, put this tag here, okay? Go back to his page. I will copy this one and make sure to use all his tags, all the tags that he is using. Copy all those tags, paste, and click on publish, and your affiliate link will be published on Pinterest. It's really easy and simple. As you can see, this is my affiliate link, as you can see over here, okay? Picture that describe my affiliate service, my title, description, and that's it. That's how you can promote affiliate links on Pinterest using free traffic. So thank you so much for watching, guys. I hope this video is helpful for you, and make sure to promote a lot of services you need. If you promote just one service, you will not get commission. Your chance will be if you want to get commission, you need to promote like up to 3-5 services per day, okay? So make sure to promote a lot of services that are related to Instagram, and that's it. I hope this video is helpful for you. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel, leave a comment, and see you in my next video.